Here we have an Emoji fountain. Got the summer-looking one with the sunglasses smiling. I saw this at Keystone from Miracle Fireworks. I don't think I've heard of that one before. Saw it on the shelf and I had to get it. There's a whole bunch of different ones to pick from. It says that the pretty decent storm going through. Fuse inside, push to remove the lid to light the fuse. So this right here, take that top off to expose it, and that's your fuse, and it lasts for about a minute. So let's go take a look. Emoji. You hold that. Just put it down.